Hello mga kababayan, kamusta? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening sa inyong lahat. Kamusta mga kababayan, mga katropa pips? So ngayong araw na to, sasama tayo doon sa nag-invite sa akin doon para magmotor sa kasama ko sa trabaho. So grupo to ng mga motorcycle group dito sa Labac. They call their group Labac Motorcycle Ride. Yan, sila ang bumubuo ng grupo nun. And then first time ko sasama sa kanila, so we'll see kung anong magiging experience natin. So hopefully we're gonna enjoy and nakikita natin doon yung ano yung kanilang route. So every week ginagawa nila yan, nagra-ride sila either Wednesday or Thursday. Yan. So sabi ko nga, first time, so I'm excited to join the group. So we'll see. I'm heading that way, papunta na ako ngayon. So magmi-meet up kami sa isang gas station dito. So we'll see. Iba-ibang klaseng motor ang mga darating doon. So, nga pala, bago ako magtuloy, sabi ko nga lagi, like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Nomer Vlog, Buhay Amerika. So this video is para naman sa lahat, but most especially sa mga mahilig sa motor or motorbike yan. So para sa inyo to. Okay, and I see you in a bit, and let's find out how fun it is. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye bye. October 14 and 7 o'clock in the evening ay sinalihan ako ng riders, motorbike riders ngayon. So niyaya ako nung aking kasama sa trabaho. How you doing, sir? Got invited with my co-worker at work.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
Yeah, Christian.
It's a nice bike, bro.
Oh, thank you. My man!
How are you?
Good. You gotta say hi to my vlog, my channel. This is my co-worker here, Christian. He's the one who invited me in this group. So, yeah. So this is what do you call the group? The Labac Motorcycle Ride. Oh yeah. So do you know where we're gonna? What is our route? Now? So how do you all gonna ride? Just like interviewin natin tong kasama ko, si Christian. Yung kanyang motor is Harley, Harley Sportster. So interviewin natin. Okay. All right, Christian, how are you doing, sir?
Good, how are you doing?
All right, this is Christian, my co-worker, and he have the Harley Davidson. So yeah, see, how long you have this bike?
Just a little under a year now.
So wala pang isang taon, bago pa. So still brand new bike. So is this what you call the Sportster?
Yeah, it's a Sportster. It's an Iron 883.
Iron 883. So Harley, bike niya. So is it the back seat and everything here is add-on? You just add it on?
Yeah. Yeah, all that was aftermarket.
Cool. So, yung sa akin, wala pang ganitong accessory. So, naghihintay pa ako kung kailan magiging available. Lalagyan ko rin yung akin ng ganito.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
How many speeds is this?
5-speed.
5 speed. Alright. 5 speed.
Wow.
Kanyang gulong. So, ayan. Christian. So, how long you been in this group?
About 4 or 5 months.
4 or 5 months. A lot of fun?
Yeah.
Riding with them?
Yeah, I have a lot of fun.
Alright.
It's really the only group that gets together in Lubbock, you know, every week and rides. So it's cool.
Cool. Cool.
It's sub 2 seconds.
And thanks for inviting me, though.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna have a lot of fun later. So we're still waiting for someone, a couple guys more. So we'll see. Ito ibang style nito. Ano bike is this?
I think it's an R6.
R6. Cool. Nice.
Like 2 weeks ago.
Ito yung Duke. Ayan, Duke. How many speeds is this, man? Is it has a 5 speed? 6 speed. Man, it's fast, man. Nice. Right,
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Yan. Dito kami sa park. Huh?
Did you get loose?
No, cause like on the top, like I have to change gear on the maneuver.
I did too.
Kind of real. I mean, the curve is like, man, real sharp. So sharp
I
curve.
ran something over on that side.
Yeah.
Big ass pop. So I was like, I hope I didn't pop something.
As soon as they get on that entrance, they start speeding up. So
Yeah. I think we're good. I think I was just breaking loose because of that little water patch we hit.
oh, on that side, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Oh, good. A lot of fun. So, yan, mga kaibigan, kababayan, ka-tropa pips. So, hindi ko alam kung hanggang ano oras kami rito, pero siguro ano, matatapos na rin. Pahinga lang sandali. Yan. So medyo malayo-layo yung tinakbo namin, but we're still here in Lubbock, so makikita natin kung ano pa yung mga gagawin mamaya. So yan. Yan, may ilaw yung motor niya.
Wow!
Nice. So all good. A lot of fun. Okay, yan, magpapaalam na tayo sa kanila. Yan, sabi nila pag kung gusto ko ng, or sino man gustong humiwalay, mag-iwalay lang. No need to let them know. Basta split ka na lang sa sa group. And then next time ulit siguro. So yun, having a lot of fun right now. So this is a group right here. Yan, yan ang grupo. And there's a Christian right there. The man, Christian. You know. Yeah. Have fun. Having fun, man. Oh yeah. All right. So,
Oh, yes, Daddy.
nice ride. So probably next Thursday again. Next week, Thursday. Yeah.
Either
Yeah.
Thursday or Wednesday.
Okay. So yun. Hanggang dito na lang. Sa susunod ulit, tingnan natin kung saan naman kami iikot ng grupo ng motorcycle, Lubbock motorcycle ride. Yeah. Alright. So next time ulit, like I said, sa mga bagong nagpa-follow ng aking YouTube channel, welcome, and then like, share, and subscribe. Yan. YouTube channel, No More Vlog, Buhay Amerika. Yan. So, lagi ko sinasabi, be safe, be careful, mabuhay tayong lahat, at magsumikap upang ang buhay di maghirap. So, see you next time.